Assalamualaikum and a very good day. So previously we have learned about common noun and proper noun. So today we will learn about singular noun and also plural noun. Alright, first we will learn about singular noun. Okay, what is singular? So singular means only one. For example, one marker pen, one pencil. So when there's only one, it's singular. Right. Okay, next we learn about plural noun. So plural means more than one. For example, just now we learned one marker pen is singular. So if there's more, two marker pens or three marker pens. So if there's more than one, it's plural. So usually if we want to change from singular to plural, usually we will add s at the end of the noun. Right. In order to change singular nouns to plural nouns, we have to learn about regular nouns and irregular nouns. Right, these are the rules for plurals of regular nouns. Right, usually in the general rule is we have to add s at the end. Like for example, let me take my pencil. Right, for example, book. So book, we have to add s at the end. It will become books. Or car. So car will become cars. Right. The next one, if the word or the noun ending in s, x, z, ch, ch, sh, and s. So we have to add es at the end. Right. So for example, bus. So bus ending with s. So we have to add es. Or box. So box end with x. So we just have to add es at the end. Right, the next one, if the nouns ending in f or fe, we just have to change the ending to ves. Right, for example, the word calf. So I write it here, calf. So it ends with f. So we have to change f into v, and then we add es at the end. So it becomes calves. Or wolf. So it ends with f. So we change it into wolves. And also shaft. So every words or every nouns that ends with f or fe, we have to change it into ves at the end. So WOSHELVES, shafts. Right, the next one, we learn about the nouns that end with y. So there are two rules for nouns that ends with y. One is you have to change y into I and plus es, and then another one is you just have to add s at the end. Right, the first one, nouns that end in y, that you have to change it, and you have to change y into I and plus es is when the y follows a consonant, changing y to I and adding es. So for example, right, the first one is, for example, city. Right, city ends with Y, and before Y it's a consonant, so we have to change Y into I, and then add es at the end, so it becomes cities. Candy. So candy ends with Y, and before Y it's a consonant, D, so we have to change Y into I and plus es at the end. Right, the next one is nouns ending in Y that you have to add only s at the end. So when the Y follows a vowel, the plural is formed by retaining the Y and adding s. So it means if the nouns ending in Y, but before Y it's a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, you just have to add s at the end. Right, for example, day. So it's end with Y, and before Y it's a vowel, A. So we just have to add s at the end. Toy. So it ends with Y, and before Y it's a vowel, so we just have to add s on the. Key. Kunci. So key, it ends with Y, and before Y it's a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. So a vowel is A, E, I, O, U. So we just have to add s at the end. Alright, the last rules for the plurals of regular verbs is nouns that ends with O. So there are two rules for nouns that ends with O. The first one, you just have to add s at the end. The second one, you just have to add es at the end. Alright, the first one, nouns ending in O that you just have to add s at the end. So nouns that end in O preceded by a vowel are made plural by adding s. So kata nama yang di akhirnya O dan sebelum O itu adalah vowel A, E, I, O, U, you just have to add s. So let's give an example. A few examples. The first one, radio. So radio ends with O, and before O it's a vowel I. So you just have to add s at the end. And the second one, stereo. So it ends with O, and before O it's a vowel, so you just have to add s at the end. Video. So it ends with O, and before O it's a vowel, you just have to add s at the end. Alright, the next one, nouns ending in O that you just have to add es at the end. So nouns that end in O preceded by a consonant are made plural by adding es. So kalau tadi O yang sebelum O tu adalah vowel A, E, I, O, U, kita tambah S sahaja. So kalau dia selain A, E, I, O, U, ia adalah consonant, so kita kena tambah es. So for example, potato. So potato. So it ends with O, and before O it's a consonant. So we just have to add es at the end. Hero. So it ends with O, and before O it's a vowel. So we just have to add es at the end. Domino. So it ends with O, and before O it's a vowel, so we just have to add es at the end. Right, we have learned about rules for the plurals of regular nouns. So now we will proceed for the irregular nouns. Right. Yeah. So nouns that don't follow the rules of regular nouns. So the first one, okay, it means that kata nama yang tak ikut peraturan-peraturan tadi. Bermaksud dia tukar terus. Dia tak ada tambah S, dia tak tambah ES, dia tak tambah IES. And dia tukar the words. So, for example, man. Dia laki, man. So, the plural for man is M-E-N. We have to change A into E. Woman. So, it becomes woman. M-E-N. Children. Child. So, child, you have to add R-E-N. So, it's totally different. Tooth, gigi. So, satu gigi kita sebut tooth. Banyak gigi kita sebut teeth. Okay, the next one, nouns that remain the same in the plural. Bermaksud, kata nama yang dia punya singular dan plural ejaan dia masih sama. Kita tak tambah S, kita tak tambah ES, kita tak tambah IES dan kita tak tukar perkataan tu. So, tapi dia boleh bermaksud satu dan dia juga boleh bermaksud lebih daripada satu. Contoh dia adalah sheep. Sheep adalah kambing biri, sheep. So, sheep, for one sheep, we say sheep. For more than one sheep, it also sheep. Deer, same. An aircraft, also the same. Right. That's all for today. Have a nice day.